Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? These are some really cool rolling blackout blinds. These were sent over by a company called Boolegon, and as you can see, they are right here next to me. So first off, install is super easy. It is naturally going to come with an instruction sheet. Do note the instruction sheet is going to show the install for all their various models, so depending on which one you get, you just find which one you want. Then it's going to include two little brackets. You're simply going to screw them in to the top. It's going to include all the hardware in the anchors. Depending on your setup is going to depend on how you attach that bracket. So I wanted an inside mount. So basically you're going to measure the inside to inside of your window, and then you're going to go ahead and mount the bracket to the top. However, if you don't want this little itty bitty section of light on the sides, you can also go with an outside mount, and then you're going to screw the bracket basically into the head, and there'll be two screws on each side. So just once again, it depends on your setup. Now, one of the reasons I really like this setup is you're going to notice it has a nice fabric valance, so it has a nice clean look instead of seeing the roller at the top or having to put up separate shades or separate curtains or anything like that. The valance is Velcro, so if you do ever need to remove it and clean it or spot clean it or anything like that, you can do that. Now, the rolling shade itself is made out of a nice fabric. I have the white one here. It comes in multiple colors, so it depends on what color that you want. You can pick, and like I said, this also is going to come in multiple widths and lengths, so depending on what you want on that aspect as well. Now, another nice thing, it moves very easy. It is simply a pull down. There's no mechanics on it, so just simply go ahead and glide right up. Very fluid movement, and then when you want to lower it, you just go ahead and simply pull on it. You'll notice it has a nice thick bar here at the bottom that's nice and weighted. It's also nice and well constructed, so when it's sitting on your windowsill, it's not gonna fray at the end or anything like that. And to make it a little bit easier to pull, there is a little plastic adjustable piece here that you snap on, and you can position it wherever you want. I have it in the middle, but you can even have it on the sides or anything like that. In the middle, it makes it a little bit more balanced. But as you can see, it is a nice blackout. It really makes the room nice and dark when utilizing it, when closing it, which is absolutely great if you live in a place where it gets really bright or you're trying to sleep at night, and then it's just not very dark outside. Now, another nice aspect of this shade is on the outside, it does have a nice little coating on the white part, which is going to help with reflectance of the sun, help with that thermal protection a little bit, keeping your inside of your house a little bit cooler, which is another nice aspect of it. But overall, like I said, this is very easy to install, very easy to operate, looks very nice, and also makes your room nice and dark. So if you're looking for a great blackout blind, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.